at Australia Kapa and I sung 2 songs. I'm competing in shows Got Talent. Done a few recordings a couple of weeks ago. Going to Melbourne soon. It's going to be lots of fun. I think I'll go really good.
Hi, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Wesley.
And we are Neon. Today we did one of our routines that we auditioned for Australia's Got Talent, and we did it at the National Kapa Haka down here in Canberra.
I can turn on this side of the harbour bridge.
Until I see a hand raise here, I'll come, I'll be the brave one.
Although we're over here in another country, we still are proud of being proud of who we are.
Hi, Hoppy.
Since 2008. So how many years has it been? Although what is it? About 8, 9, 10, 5 years.
Kia ora, my name's Jaden Wright. From Melbourne, Victoria. Aroku's Ngamanu Waiata, we're based in Melbourne. My highlight of the day was just the Kapa, really being here to support the day.
Te Memahara from Queensland, Brisbane.
Always the heart. Always. Every man loves the heart.
I think the day was a big success. Yeah, the standard's gone up since the last regionals.
At the Kapa Haka.
Oh, you suck! Mean!
How old?
I'm not!
Kai te hea o Whakawhanaungatanga hoki, ka te haramai o ngā Māori katoa, kai te tū te kaho te atu mira.
Ai, ki te mate ao ne tētahi ki tētahi, ara te whakawhanaunatanga.